One session, that's all it took for gold to collapse over 6%, wiping off nearly $2 trillion from its market cap, making it a single largest drop since last seen in 2013. The same was the case for silver, which lost nearly 9% in value, biggest drop since 2021. The sharp drop came after an 8-week rally that led gold and silver to explode from quiet corners of the market to the center of a global storm. Gold didn't just rise, it roared. It became the first asset class to reach $30 trillion market cap, from $2,658 to nearly $4,400 an ounce. Silver sprinted even faster, up 76%. In Pakistan, gold hit a jaw-dropping $456,900 per tola. And then one man spoke. Donald Trump, a softer line on China tariffs, and few sessions later, gold dropped and so did silver, just like that.
This was about 75,000 rupees per tola in the past 4 months jump. So this jump is quite very much. The correction in the price of local market from the past 3-4 days that you've seen was also expected. I was in a very strong confirmation that the gold price would correct itself, which it has done. So it went up to 490,000 rupees per tola here in the local market, and now it is standing at 448,000 per tola. So this 45,000 rupees per tola correction was already expected.
The fuel behind the fire. This rally isn't made of hype. It's built on numbers. Central banks bought over 440 metric tons of gold this year. Investors funneled $26 billion into gold ETFs. The US dollar weakened, the Fed cut rates, and inflation refused to cool down. And then came the tariff war, Washington versus Beijing and the world, and everyone caught in between. Every time Trump talked tough, gold spiked. Every time he eased up, it fell. That 6% dip this week, a direct echo of his tone. And then there's silver. Silver isn't just following gold, it's running its own race. Nearly 70% of silver goes into EVs, solar panels, and chips. Industries on fire with demand, but supply tight. So when gold surged, silver rocketed. A 76% leap in just 8 weeks, sharper, louder, and even faster. And then the pause, a firmer dollar, a tariff truce, some profit taking, gold blinked.
Is the current economic situation of the US government and the dollar index. The US government has been in a shutdown since the 1st October 2025. And the dollar index is in a continuous declining phase right now.
Every gold rush has its own ghost. 1934, the Great Depression. The US devalued the dollar, gold jumped 70%. 1970s, oil shocks and runaway inflation. Gold soared. 1980, the Hunt brothers cornered silver. Prices exploded 700%, then crashed. 2011, global financial panic, gold hit record highs. 2025, tariff wars, weak dollar, and central banks hoarding gold. Different decade, same instinct, fear. The road ahead. Wall Street is bullish. Goldman Sachs says gold could hit $5,000 by 2026. Silver bull sees $55 to $60 on the horizon. So the current price plummet is only being seen as correction or consolidation. But history has a wicked sense of timing. When everyone rushes into gold, the peak is often closer than they think. If tariffs cool, if the Fed pivots, this rally could snap faster than it began. Gold and silver shine brightest when the world is on the edge. The 1930s depression, the 1970s inflation, the 1980 mania, the 2011 panic, and now 2025's tariff storm. The fear is real, the rally is roaring, but so is the risk.